Where are you going here, Riz?
I'm gonna go out of palm.
Alright.
I'm gonna chow whoever goes art.
I'm gonna go bottom vault.
Just if you go at top ammo, you can cover my left.
Alright, I got you.
Alright, I'm trusting Cali to do it. Don't you rock? Let's
Yeah,
fly.
B control, outer palm. He's weak.
Got him. There's one more B control somewhere. I think he went into vault.
Vault. Yep, vault weak. He went bottom vault.
Cat. It's fine.
He's bottom vault right now.
I'm playing for cat.
Just push up on the map.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say outer cat. You might just watch top. He might be there. I mean, yeah.
Yo,
I got one. One their statue.
Is that in you?
Top
Is he
bar is
still top
weak. Yeah, he's weak.
I'm pushing ammo.
Dead. Push.
Alright, I'm popping time.
Minus. Dead.
I'm playing my life in art.
Ready.
What do you think,
I'm
Boo Boo?
watching vault. I'm stunning vault. I stun vault.
I'm watching.
I'm gonna see your outer art here.
There's one P4.
Yo, P3. Mid doors.
P4.
Zen.
Somebody's in my art.
One hitting vault right now.
Outer palm, or bottom art.
One you.
He got me off of fucking top art. He's top art hurt ninja.
Yo, Zen's
Alright,
vault.
Money. Lights.
Dead.
All right, hold on. Now we gotta regroup here somewhere.
Yo, let's try this full tries. Let's full
Top
stun.
art hurt. He fell off.
We already got one tick on B. Let's try to go for A. Let's try to get for day camp.
Okay.
Yo, 2 lion. Lion weak, outer
I'm
palm.
watching you.
Outer palm dead.
I'm wrapping around our cat.
I got you.
I'm gonna start taking. I'm gonna start taking A.
I just need a cat. No hit cat. Pushing up hookah.
Top art dead.
No cat. They could be
One's
flanking.
line on me. Dead.
Nice.
Yeah, white.
He's weak. He's going cat.
Lion dead.
Hitting cat. Hitting you.
One statue.
He's cat.
Their art.
Top cat. Nice.
Got him.
His RG.
Yeah.
All right, we got 12 seconds, boys. We gotta commit
Fuck.
to something.
Watch mid doors and vault.
Yo, you. Put it right now. Let's say you.
Dead.
Nice.
Watch mid door.
Reinforce it.
I'm gonna wait.
Ready. On you, bind you.
On me.
Got him.
Nice.
Alright, front left Yui. On time now.
He's weak.
You thought.
Huge.
Nice. He's hurt.
You thought.
We gotta try that.
Alright, he's weak on time.
Get on it. Get on time. 0.3 seconds.
I'm trying.
I'm standing front left Yui. One Yui. Dead.
Nice. One more.
Alright,
Yeah,
time.
Nice. Huge.
All right, now play 14. Play this slow. Come on. Yo, mid.
Yo,
top
one
bar,
you.
Top bar, guys. Top bar.
There's rest of you.
Yeah.
He's going mid doors right
We
now.
have 4 ticks. Just kidding.
I don't see him. Where the fuck did he go? He might drop
He's
ball.
not. I'm
palm.
top art.
Palm.
I'm not gonna try that out of palm just yet. I gotta keep watching vault. I mean art.
One's A bomb dead.
Top art.
One in vault.
Ninja's out of palm.
He
Thank
dead,
you.
dead, dead.
Hey, yo, push him back P4. Push back P4. Hold up.
Watch
Top
top art.
art.
Top art hit once. There's a penetration shot too.
Got him.
Pushing up.
I'm watching top. I'm
I
watching
need a
back for a
trophy.
minute.
To statue. Bottom art maybe.
There's your
Watch-
trophy.
Bottom art. He's top art. Top art.
He's going line. Actually, he's going back
Top
mid door.
art dead.
Back mid door.
He's top art, so just keep that in mind.
Oh my God, Kaz is.
He's in my vault. Two vault.
Two of them.
They're both hurt.
weak.
How did you decap her?
One more not done. You gotta challenge Cali.
Where the hell did you decap her?
Spent light steps.
All good, bro.
Sorry,
Yeah, nah, you gotta
This-
play that. You gotta play that together. But all good. I think we got 5 ticks.
Yeah. Well,
This classic
3v45, yeah.
hit marker shit is so annoying because it says I get kill, like I got a kill, but I didn't.
We'll change it. Change it from classic to the other one.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't change my hit marker sound. It just sounds the sound. Yeah, I don't know.
Are they
I
actually?
just shoot. Let's say buddy drop.
So
We threw a lot of lives trying to go for A. That's why I said
Yeah.
just
We trying to go for B. We do a lot trying to go for B. Yeah.
I'm gonna
They
name
knew
it
it.
here.
All right. Next off us, we're just gonna bang out A. Just push him from. Going full right now.
Netted him A. One on cat. Cat
Bottom
dead.
vault dead. One more bottom vault.
Uh,
He's by pool. He's by pool side. Turn around.
gonna spawn useless most likely.
I got naded on time.
Fuck lights. Good shit.
Right side.
They're gonna spawn useless side. I got P2 hold.
Stun mid door.
I just
One on
stun time.
time.
Nice.
Mid door.
They're gonna spawn ammo probably.
Yeah, watch ammo.
That's 3.
Alright, carried.
Yep, they're all spawning ammo. Dead.
Trophy down on time.
Outer ammo. Outer ammo. Dead.
One out of ammo dead.
Yeah, they're gonna keep spawning ammo. Remember
Yo,
that.
he's frontside ammo. He's like head glitching
Yeah, he's on the heady.
their front ammo. Yeah.
Playing lights. They might be going B.
Right here, P2.
Play life. Play life. Dead. Yep, they're on B.
2 on B. 2 on B. 2 on B.
I'm hitting it for
Mid
vault
door,
side.
mid door. It's
One
reinforcing B.
shot. One
Fire,
shot.
fire,
on B.
fire.
Vault. Just weak.
I'm nading time.
Bro, 2B.
They're
2B.
planters. He's bottom
Down
useless.
time. Out of
Where is
palm.
he?
Out of palm.
I'm nading B.
Yeah, he's P3.
Out of palm dead.
He's
Out of-
planters.
no,
Planters.
he's planner still on side.
I'm
on-
weak.
on top.
Planters and
Vault.
vault.
I'm nading time.
Planters and vault.
Just destroy those trophies too.
It's prone- it's-
I killed one. The last one's in vault. One's in vault. Volvo, he's gonna come out.
Dead.
They're at 25 seconds. They're gonna go A.
Yeah, they're gonna.
Mhm.
100%. I'm wrapping.
Out
just
of
need to be
planter
just-
B. One's
out
at
of-
B. One's at B. Got him.
One's
I
their
got tell
lights
me,
going. One's their lights going. Cat.
One more A. He's cast at A.
Go cat. Going cat right now. On
Yes, yeah.
cat.
Dead.
Nice.
10 seconds.
Out of palm. Out of fire. Out of fire.
Yep.
Two of them. One more.
I don't see the other. I'm gonna need it.
He's probably playing it slow.
Another one.
Cat.
Nice.
Jesus
Good
Christ.
hold.
That was really good. They only got what, 2 ticks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cast is down. Oh. You're done, bro. You're done, broski.
You and I crossed this guy, right? Yeah.
I thought there was 2 because else he ran back. It looked like he passed me once.
You hit him
Alright, so-
once.
Yeah, I hit him once.
How many? I didn't even seen like I hit fucking 4 shots.
All right, so if we
I did-
get
what the fuck?
2 ticks, 3 ticks right there, we're guaranteed defense. 3 ticks, we're guaranteed defense.
Okay.
Let's just bang out A first.
Yeah.
Let's just guarantee it.
All right, I'm gonna pinch mid door actually right off the rip.
Yo, you
And now
stun, you stun, you
Yo,
stun.
one's P3.
You stun, you stun on me.
Top hookah. Damn.
Behind
Timing.
me.
One's
That's fine.
Watch your cat.
mid
Watch your
door.
cat.
One's mid door.
Ready. There's one mid doors. I was one off streaks. Once he's front light, right side lights.
Cat dead. He's front right time. Weak. Got
Guys
one
on
B.
B pushing outer palm.
One hookah.
Yo, hookah. He's weak. Nice.
One on time dead.
Hookah dead.
That's
One
three,
more.
Three down. Sack.
Go.
Last hookah. Might go top cat here.
Stunned it.
Nading cat.
Stunning it. Yeah, he's stunned. He's mid doors. Beast mid doors.
Time dead.
Nice.
One hookah.
Third hookah cat. Top cat going down time.
Top
Cat
cat.
dead.
Nice.
Cat dead.
Line dead.
Oh my goodness.
I'm watching front lines.
Mid palm weak.
He's on B.
He's
Alright,
inside palm.
I'm sitting in vault. The door's closed, so I can't move.
Try and get to top art.
What is down?
That's what I'm trying to do.
down.
How did I get stunned?
Top art is weak. So am I.
Watch out.
Peek. Out of palm.
Yeah,
Still.
he's so one. He's one. He's on the right side window.
P3 dead.
I'm watching top art door.
I'm gonna try to right behind him. Right
He's
here.
my left line.
Watch.
Yep.
Watch
Lion, so one. It's two by there. Two right
Got
there.
one.
more.
Top art.
Dead. 2 dead.
Nice. That's four.
top art.
Stack.
I'm running.
Oh,
Hit
yeah,
dart.
yeah.
Stun dart.
Either
Damn, why is it these
Line.
Nice.
Line.
All right, we're guaranteed defense. We just gotta play this smart play for kills. Can we get 4 dead? Push up on the map. Let's get this control.
I have no shield. I have nothing.
Yes, sir.
Damn with the fucking. Oh my god, that trigger discipline makes me horny.
Makes you horny is crazy work, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I thought Kid had it, that's why I didn't shoot because I didn't want to kill him.
No,
Yeah.
I did not. I was whipping, bro. I don't know if my just turned off or what, but that shit did not feel right.
That's right. I was there.
All right, so there's at least 2 people going vault, so I'm gonna anticipate the vault push.
Alright, I'm gonna
Yeah.
mid here again.
Zen's guaranteed probably gonna be our vault. If not, he's gonna be flanking.
Alright,
That's
I'll
why he's
go-
flanking.
I'll
Like,
go
One kill
with you,
from
I'll go with you.
Hellstorm, bro. Let me see
go
if I can
mid vault.
play
Go
it.
mid vault. Go mid vault. Trust me. Go mid vault.
Mid vault. Okay.
One top cat.
So, bro, the DPS was too
Fuck,
high.
L bomb. I lost my fucking.
Yeah, I knew he was
kill
going for the
bro.
flank. Yo, A bomb.
Lights,
just play
lights,
slow.
lights.
Play slow. Say bomb. Nice.
Vault dead.
Alright, cool.
I'm weak. I can't peek right now.
Oh, you're good.
Yo,
Okay, okay.
one you,
Top
one you,
cat.
one you.
What
Cat
side? What side?
dead.
What side?
I'm pushing up their P2. They're gonna spawn ammo here.
Yeah, back legs. He's like the left side pillar
Yeah,
side.
yeah. Left
One,
side pillar.
one MP2.
It's ninja. Wanna be scump.
Alright, I'm pinching.
Nading
cat.
it. He's naded.
I'm in there useless if you want to back off P2.
Time
Okay.
dead.
You got it. Lights,
Alright.
lights, lights.
Yo, lights. He's close.
Dead.
Nice.
Army. Lights. Might
Cat
be going
stairs, cat
cat.
stairs.
Ready.
Alright, I spawned heart.
I'm front lights.
I gotta give up useless.
Just get my cat. Hold my cat.
Yo, I got
Good.
two sun cat.
On fire.
Sign in again.
I'm challenging him. I'm gonna challenge him.
Alright, I got two
One
on
edge.
B side, two on B side.
One pull side.
One pull.
I think I got two
Pull,
pushing
one
B.
side.
Two on time with me.
Oh, did
One
you?
our front
Zen.
mid.
One of them Zen.
Oh, he's reek pillar side.
You're
He's
not
like
doing
mid
that.
pillars, mid pillars.
Yo, he's top cat.
Okay.
Top cat.
After this one. So you
You don't go top cat right now. That's him.
You put it down. got him.
Nice.
And then I'm gonna.
I got your top cat here.
Pull. Pull on pillar side. By the door.
Yeah, and then.
Watch your right. Watch your lights.
Cat. Lights.
I just need a cat.
Sending a nading cat.
Oh, Vicon, you're good.
Yeah, out of fire.
Should I make?
I'm watching front lights.
Tap over.
This one.
That's got to be. I
Okay,
think.
dead.
Yo, you. Left side.
Ready.
Right now.
Dead.
Two of the spawners. Backfire. They're gonna go B.
I'm stunned.
That ninja.
One more.
One's in my street.
One more. No.
Good shit,
Good
boys.
shit, boys.
Come on.
Let's
That's
go,
the
boys.
3-0.
Love that shit.
Good start of the season.